Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a long-lasting blowout. First, begin with clean, damp hair. It's crucial to apply a quality heat protectant throughout your strands to shield them from damage. Next, work a volumizing mousse into your roots for maximum lift and body. Then, rough dry your hair until it's about 80% dry, removing most of the moisture before styling. This initial preparation sets the foundation for a beautiful, enduring style. Now let's dive into the technique. Divide your hair into 4 to 6 manageable sections, securing them with clips. Begin with the bottom sections, using a medium to large round brush. Always point your dryer's nozzle downwards, following the brush as you pull each section taut. This technique smooths the cuticle, adding shine and reducing frizz. Consistent tension is key for a sleek, long-lasting finish. To ensure your blowout lasts, setting is vital. After fully drying each section, hit it with the Cool Shot button on your dryer for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then, gently roll the warm section back up to your scalp and secure it with a clip, creating a pin curl. Let these pin curls cool completely for at least 15 minutes. This cooling process locks in the volume and shape, making your style incredibly durable. For the grand finale, carefully unclip each section and gently shake out your hair. Avoid overbrushing to maintain volume. Finish with a light mist of flexible hold hairspray to keep everything in place without stiffness. To extend your blowout, use dry shampoo on day 2 or 3 to absorb oils. Sleeping on a silk pillowcase also helps reduce friction, preserving your beautiful style for several days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.